So we have a goat here. We call her Dum Dum because she's constantly getting her head stuck. And we're going to attempt to remedy this problem. Okay, so what I've got is a lightweight pipe that's going to be wider than her horns. And then I'm going to attempt to duct tape it on there. Cows are wondering what I'm doing. All right, so here we go. Because this is wider than the fence, theoretically, she shouldn't be able to get her head through there. But it's not as easy as it looks because her head wants to go everywhere. Give me a second there. She doesn't want any part of this, but I'm not feeling too sorry for her. I'm tired of having to get her out of the fence. We've not had problems with the goats having horns, and we're not doing 4-H with them, so it's not really been that much of a problem them having the horns until they get into the fence. Now this is very lightweight, so that part shouldn't hurt her. Probably annoy her for a while.
Probably overkill.
So we got her there. A little longer on one side than the other, but it still should work. So, all right, Dum Dum, you may go.
Thank you for watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also see us on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe.